Is your cat left-pawed or right-pawed? Studies show it's real. Most cats have a dominant paw for various tasks. Cats are animals that use their paws for diverse activities, playing, grabbing a treat, opening doors, and even poking their owner for affection. But did you know they might have a dominant paw that's used more often for these functions? That's right. It's not just an owner's impression. Scientists have discovered that felines can be left-pawed or right-pawed, just like us humans. Different studies focused on animal behavior have observed that cats show consistency in using their right or left paw when playing, bracing themselves, reaching for food, or even balancing. And there's more. A good portion of the research even suggests there's a difference between male and female cats in this regard. Let's understand more below. Cats can be right-pawed or left-pawed according to science. A 2019 study in Germany concluded that almost 80% of the evaluated cats had a preference for their left or right paw when performing certain activities. This finding reinforced discoveries made previously by other scientists in 1990, which already indicated that cats, for the most part, are not ambidextrous animals. That is, they have a single dominant paw. While male cats are more left-pawed, females tend to be right-pawed. The most interesting thing is that animals with a favorite paw also performed better in problem-solving, like opening lids, for example, according to these studies. Therefore, this small detail in how your cat functions can make a difference in its ability to perform various daily tasks. Another curious fact observed by scientists who analyzed cat laterality in a study conducted in Northern Ireland also discovered that some breeds may be more or less ambidextrous than others. According to the findings, Persian cats showed less laterality, are more ambilateral, while Bengals seem to have a consistent preference for the left paw. Isn't that interesting? In addition to revealing that cats do, in fact, have a dominant paw, practically all studies that perform this analysis also found a clear difference between males and females on this point. While males tend to be more left-pawed, using the left paw, females tend to be right-pawed, using the right paw. Here, it's worth noting that each cat is unique, and some may break the rule, regardless of breed or gender. However, knowing which paw your feline prefers isn't just a fun curiosity. It can also provide clues about how they explore the world, and even serve as an alert for changes in your cat's behavior, should they stop using their preferred paw. And how can you discover if your cat is left-pawed, right-pawed, or ambidextrous? Simply observe which paw they use first to get off a sofa or climb somewhere, which paw they put into a bowl to fish for food or treats, or which paw they extend to grab any toy. Do these tests a few times. If you notice a clear repetition, voila, you've discovered your feline's dominant paw. Discovering your cat's paw preference is more than just a fun fact. It's a unique insight into their personality and behavior. By simply observing their daily habits, you can learn fascinating details about your furry friend. A curious cat is a happy cat. If you found this guide helpful and intriguing, please give it a like. And for more amazing cat facts, essential tips, and heartwarming content about your beloved pets, subscribe to Paws Paradise and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching.